There's a baby spider hanging off of the lens. Come here. It's literally smaller. Like, my fingernail is the backdrop for it right now. That was on the lens. Come here. Okay. Yes, are you so happy to be in the woods? Are you? Today's a really big day for me. Today marks a big transformation in my life. Things are about to start rolling in a whole new way, and I'm so excited. This is gonna sound silly, but it's all centered around the fact that my new laptop is showing up today. That laptop is so much more than just a laptop to me. It's a door opening. It's the ability to create on a whole different scale than I've ever had the ability to before. And it's a symbol of my family's belief in me and what I'm doing. My grandmother believes in me so much that she's willing to put all this money into this laptop and give it to me. And it just feels so good knowing that my family's got my back. It feels so good because I know there's no way looking at it from the outside right now that they could see why this is so important. Like, it's a faith thing, it's a feeling thing. They have to be sensing it. And that's a big deal to me. We live in a world where most things require proof. I don't have a film degree. I don't have a big, long portfolio. I don't have an insane amount of proof showing that I am worth this investment. Yet they believe in me. My Nana believes in me. And she always has. It's not like that's something new. But, I mean, this is a big investment. And this is something that's extremely important to me. One of the main reasons I'm so obsessed with the film industry is knowing the power that film has to be a catalyst for change in this world. Film is going to be my avenue for the legacy that I leave, for the impact that I have on myself and the people around me and this planet as a whole. And yes, I've been working on it for years, but it feels like this is where it starts. It's a big day. And yay, you guys get to be here too. All right, it's not the only thing going on today, so I need to start hiking out of here. If you're watching this, thank you. Just giving me watch time on YouTube is supporting what I'm doing. Just showing the algorithm that you're willing to put 4, 5, 6 minutes into watching what I'm creating. That is huge for me. Thank you. And if you want to just do just a little bit more, you can hit that like button, or you could even subscribe or share it or leave a comment or ring that notification bell, because that'll tell you every time I make a video. And they're just gonna keep getting better and better. So you might as well, you know, if you want to. Oh, there's a soaking wet foot.
And you will have to go and watch me evolve.
Oh gosh, the doorbell just rang and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Yes! 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 Yes. I gotta FaceTime to Nana. Yay, she answered.
Hey, Bubba.
Hi, Nana. Look, you're on my vlog.
I am.
Yeah.
Oh, Bubba.
You wanna say hi?
Hi.
This is my Nana.
That's wonderful. I'm excited for you.
Well, thank you. Well, I appreciate you so much.
Well, I love you, honey.
I love you too.
I want you to enjoy it.
Oh, I will. Can't wait to show off what I can accomplish with it.
Oh, yeah. I know it'll be good.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
already good. What you do. So that's a good thing.
Yes, ma'am. Ah! She's the most amazing person ever. Oh, so satisfying. So satisfying. You know who this is, right? This is
Embrace the change.
I actually just did like a full unboxing video, but I'm not gonna put all that in the vlog. Y'all don't need all of that. It would take up too much time. I'm gonna use it to have my first unboxing video on YouTube, and maybe that can draw some more people to the channel. That'd be cool. This is how I know I'm still really new at this vlogging thing. Like, I get busy and then I just forget to vlog. Like, we just made a commercial and it would have been so fun to like include some of that in the vlog.
All right, now roll with us and then ease back.
Tell them to scoot up with us. Scoot up with us. Look forward. Look back at me. Nod. Forward. Perfect. I'm sitting here editing this vlog right now and realized I never closed this video out. I am so excited for what's coming, and I am so glad that I get to share it with so many of you. This journey is so exciting, and I mean, we're making videos here, we're editing stuff, we're marketing for companies and things like that. But what's the thing under the thing, Jeff Barch? I hear ya, I'm listening to ya. The thing under the thing for me in all of this comes from something I say every single time I make a video. My name's Jasper Fox, and if you're new here, this is Jasper Fox Art. This entire brand and soon-to-be business are dedicated to the conscious evolution of our species. We're intentionally raising our vibrations so that we can all live a more abundantly joyful life. So let's consciously evolve together. I love you, family. Here we go.
Embrace the change.